All right. So, good morning, Nishikant.
Very good
So,
morning, sir.
as you might know, we are here to conduct your interview,
Right, sir.
and throughout the next 45 minutes to 1 hour, I will be trying to get to know more about you. Okay. Therefore, you will be the person who will be doing most of the talking. I'll also keep asking follow-up questions as and when I need some clarification about any particular topic or any particular detail. All right.
Right, sir.
So I want you to feel as comfortable as you would be sitting at your home in your own armchair. Take water whenever you require, all right? And you can also take pauses whenever you need some thought process and need to think clearly. Okay, you can ask and you can take a short break. So, the whole point of conducting this interview is to take your responses as honest as possible. Okay, so
Right.
just be true regarding each and every response.
Yes, sir.
So I hope we're clear with that.
Yes, sir.
So okay, Nishikant. So just briefly tell me about your educational background.
Yes, sir. I have completed my 10th class from Himachal Pradesh School Education Dharamsala, and after that I completed my 12th class as same board at the School of Government Senior Secondary School, Sarkagar.
Okay,
And during my 10th class I got a 76.5%, and during my 12th class I got a 62.8%. And after that I took the admission in college, and from Himachal Pradesh University, Shimla, and where I got a 77.5%.
okay. What was your graduation subject?
The Bachelor of Computer Application.
Okay, BCA. And what all subject choices were there in your class 12th?
So I choose a science stream: physics, chemistry, math, computer science, and English.
Okay, all right, understood. Yes, all right. So you've mentioned there are certain things in your PIQ. So you've been the house captain as well as the NSS leader, right?
Right, sir.
So tell me a little more about the responsibilities that you had as a house captain as well as the NSS
Right,
leader.
sir. Okay, sir. Sir, I was a house captain in my during 10th class as well as my 12th class. When I was the house leader in 10th class, so I hold responsibility overall the attending overall the organize the morning assembly. At the in the morning assembly, I have at the there are the four house in my schools. So one of the captain I am. So one of the big house big I have took the responsibility to organize whole the activities in every big like that at the Shanivar we organized competitions of debate competitions, several type we organized the song competitions, and in the morning assembly we have took the responsibility of all the stages, morning assemblies, morning prayers, and send who is the member of my team send to them who is the narrate the topics as well plays as well as the team of the girls who perform in the stage. I nominated it, and
Okay,
I'm talking about my NSS. When I was NSS, so it is the camp of 7 days. It is the all whole responsibility of the annual days and any function of the our schools like that. Maintain the chairs, organize the chairs, as well as help to the teacher to organize the program. And during the camp, we have a responsibility to go with our teams like that. In the 7 days camp, we will go to we went go to the place to place aware the people about the cleaning as well as to the of the we also aware about the boat, because the boat is mandatory to the every citizen to choose the government. If have also aware about the nota buttons to the people to by the door to door.
okay. So tell me what was the basic difference between your responsibilities as the house captain as well as the NSS leader?
Sir, house captains is the my basic duties to the maintain the prayers as well the activities of daily. But during the NSS to maintain the securities, maintain the discipline of the schools as the every programs as well. In the during the camp we have the responsibility of the village people. Aware the village people upon about the cleaning, clear the paths, cut the grass of the pavement. That have a lot of that I'm taking the responsibility during my 12th class.
Okay, okay. Understood, understood. So there is something that you have mentioned in your PIQ. Let me just, I think you've mentioned, yes, best student class representative. So,
Right, sir.
okay, these are
Sir,
two different titles, right?
right,
Okay.
sir.
Hmm. Tell me more about these two.
Sir, when I was my college in the my BCA first year, so I was a class representative. I represent my class at every sectors, at every platform. Like that, I have the CR, so I have took the responsibility of the whole class and also about the next program. Tell them about where is our class and which and also I have responsibility to invite the teacher in class if he was outside. If any teacher is not come in the class, he was absent, so I am responsible to take my class in the library and spend 1 hours to read the books and another things in the library.
Okay.
And I come to the my second the best student. I was the best student in my college because I lead my class as well as I perform the good in the sports. I like play the badminton, chess, and also activity in the painting. So I take a participation each and every aspect in my college which activity to be performed. So
Okay.
that's why
Okay.
at the end.
Understood. Understood. Nishikant. So tell me, in brief, tell me how did you get elected as the house captain? What was the process?
Sir, when was I a 10th class? So it is at the Saturday, each and every student give the vote who was the captain. So actually in my school we have the in the house for total have the 450 stands in my
How?
house. I have the one.
Okay. How do you
So
nominate then?
my friends called to me, ki, sir, he was the best student, so he performed well duty.
Okay.
So and supporting by the another peoples or my juniors and my friends who nominated to me.
Okay. And thereafter, once you were no, how many other candidates were nominated apart from you?
Sir, there are the two captain. One the first captain, and second one is the second captain. So first captain is I am, then second captain is my subordinator who belong to the ninth class.
Okay, but then why would there have been voting if there were only two? How many candidates were there in total?
Sir, there are candidate of I think in my class have the two candidate and ninth class have only two candidate
Okay,
and candidate from the 11th class. So that's why there are the five candidates. So our teachers organize the voting to who is
okay,
the best
okay.
and who
And
can
this
become
the same
best
goes on
captain.
for all the houses?
Right, the same procedure have followed all the houses.
Okay, and what is the procedure for becoming the NSS leader? What was the process?
Sir, but NSS leaders, it's the special for the 12th class students. The activity have organized by our schools. So NSS leader, we have filled the form of the NSS leader, and is the not the same procedure, but nominate by the our group.
What all
Who
was there on the form that you filled?
so that NSS NSS form,
Hmm.
only NSS form. There's the
What
name,
all
activity,
things did you
school
have?
name,
Okay. Mm-hmm. Go ahead.
name, school is as well as the with date of birth and when you took the admission in school and last one is that the signatures and principal signatures
No, nothing
and
about your
address as well.
achievements. Nothing about your achievements or anything of that
No,
sort.
no, sir.
Nothing
No,
of that sort.
no, sir.
Okay. So this NSS leader form was it how do I put it? Was it prepared by your school or was it prepared by some other organization? This form
Sir, prepared by our school.
by your school. Why so?
Right, sir.
So NSS is a uni like it's a pan India organization is what I feel, right? NSS is there all
Yeah,
across
right, sir.
India.
National Service Scheme.
Hmm. Okay.
Right,
So
sir.
tell me more about this national service scheme.
Sir, National Service Scheme started by the Indian at the government of India. It gives the responsibility to the every schools of the government
When was
schools
it started? In which
to.
year?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, please move forward.
Yes, sir. So, sir, it is a responsibility of every school to enhance the capability of student and also aware about the social adaptability, touch to the social adaptability, and also aware to the another peoples about the village peoples about their lives and as well as their cleanness as well as their they are they lacking. So support them and also help to them to actually it's the main focus to maintain the area of the outside.
Okay, Nishikant, you also mentioned that you had to nominate some girls who had to perform on the stage. What was the criteria for this nomination?
Right, sir. Sir, I nominate every each and every girls because it's a school time and I want to everyone have a good capability to go to the stage and finish this fear stage. So I nominate each and every girls. There are no criteria in my eyes ki I nominate C girl, but during the specific purpose, specific function, so I nominate such of girls who performed well during the daily activity.
During daily activities. And these daily activities were in the morning
Right,
assembly.
sir. Right, sir.
But then this creates a bias. See, if you're only nominating those girls
Uh,
who are performing well in the morning assembly, then only those girls will keep on
right, sir.
getting exposure. And right now, you just mentioned that
Sir,
you wanted each and every girl to perform well.
right, sir.
So
So I want to try, but
explain to
some
me
girls
the
are
contradiction.
yes,
Please start.
yes, sir. In the school times we have a stage fears, and number of girls have afraiding to go to the stage.
Do you
So
also
my
have stage
first
fear?
priority to yes, sir. When I was in my eighth and ninth class, I
Oh,
have a stage fear, but by the going to
okay.
the stage day by daily, so that stage fear have a finished.
Have finished. Okay. So, okay, tell me a little more about this stage fear that you had. So, it was in class 8.
Yes, sir. Class eight.
Okay.
And after that, I when I was ninth class, so I was a normal student like us, and my house captain nominated to me go to stage, speak the pledge as well as to the read the topic, read the newspaper in the stage. So my stage fears have had a finished on that time. So after that, I regularly go in my routine. So I went to there.
Did you not have any problem or any sort of, so like, let's say you used to have stage fear, and the first time your house captain nominated you, what was the feeling and emotions going through your mind at that particular point of time, and how were you? What happened when you went on the stage? Were you able to perform well? And what was the particular activity? Tell me more about that.
Sir, when I was in ninth class, so my captain nominated to me went to the go to the stage for deliver the pledge. So on that time I have a fear. So
What was the
I have
pledge? Can you
some fears.
recall?
Ki how yes sir sir I have to speak in English and Hindi both.
Okay.
So India is our country. And India is our country. Be proud of our country. Sorry sir, just let me
Sure,
remind.
sure, sure. Take your time.
आई जस्ट स्पीक इन हिंदी फर्स्टली भारत हमारा देश है हम सब भारतवासी एक है हमें अपने देश पर गर्व है हम अपने देश की स्वाधीनता और अधीनता के लिए अपने तन मन धन से सेवा करेंगे लाइक दैट आई
Okay.
डू नॉट
So this
कॉल
was the
प्रॉपरली
pledge
बट
for your school.
राइट सर
Okay. And now go over
ड्यूरिंग
it in
ड्यूरिंग द
English.
मॉर्निंग असेंबली
Okay, okay. Go over,
सर
go through it in English.
जस्ट सर लेट मी स्पीक लेट मी रिमाइंड
Sure. Okay, never mind. What was the
सर सर
hmm
आई रिमाइंड
Okay, okay.
India is our country. We are proud to the Indians. Uh, uh, we are brother and sisters, and we are blessed to. Uh, sir, I called, but I couldn't properly recall.
Okay, what was the feeling? Were you skeptical? Were
So
you
on
able to do it perform well? So see, as I can see,
yeah first
you are not able to recall it in the interview itself. Something which you have, which you uh, a pledge that you took on a daily basis while you were in school, you cannot recall it in the interview.
right sir.
So I don't think you would have been able to recall it when you went up on the stage. What was tell me more about this. So how was the first
So
experience?
why yes, once a time I was taking while I was speaking a class. So my who was our PTI teacher, so he told me that after that you can this word, and he told me the two lines. After that I again recalling, and I speak it.
I don't understand.
So when I was talking during my class once a time in my stage,
Hmm.
so who was our physical education teacher, who standing along with me. So
Hmm.
he when I was talking, so he helped me to speak this line.
Okay.
So after that I speak, he also told me that he told me the two lines about the next two lines. After that I speak and I recalled again and speak it.
Okay. So tell me, what are other similar instances have been there where you were having some sort of a problem and someone was there to help you? Can you recall some
Yes,
similar
sir.
incidents?
Yes, sir. I have remember one incident during my house captains. I forget the nominate a person for the next day, and I also told about my second house captain to took the responsibility and told the this class number and this class boys and girls to nominate for the next tomorrow. But he also forget, and we didn't we didn't give the responsibility to anyone to for the next morning.
Hmm.
And during the next morning I come to the prayers, so no anyone in the stage. So I request to
Okay.
2 to 3 girls, please go to the stage and attend the morning assembly. But while the talking about the reading a newspaper, deliver the lecturate and the deliver the pledge, so no anyone is was volunteered. So during the pledge I also went to there and deliver the pledge, but as
Okay.
same as the newspaper, so I didn't read any newspaper. So principals
Why?
told to me that because at house is at 9 kilometers far away from my home, but
So,
away from my school. So I
so,
went by walking. So I reached the school at a time at 9 o'clock.
hmm.
But if I have know that I have prepared the news, so I come to earlier. But on that date I didn't know ki it's today is nobody to go the stage.
You could have taken the newspaper on the stage itself and read it out.
Yes, sir. After that, I took the newspaper and read out it. But during the after that, we have started any topic of the lecturate, any topic of deliver any topic. So the principal told me that no anyone is your house to speak out. So I bought, sir, I forget the turn. So okay, well, okay, deliver the act. After that, we asked the GK question in the morning assembly. So also nobody on there, and I did not write any questions. So there are the minimum three questions asked in the morning assembly and maximum five questions.
Okay. So, who responds to these answers? Who
Who in the
replies?
morning assembly? I turned the row number three, the last candidate, second last candidate, like that.
Okay, okay. So after this particular day, so the newspaper was daily newspaper was stopped and quiz competition
No, no, no,
used
no.
to be held. Or okay, or only on that particular day.
On that particular day, I read the newspaper news by the newspaper, but we didn't read the newspaper at the morning assembly. We just read the news in our copy and come to the stage. After that, we delivered.
Okay,
But on that day, I
it's
read the
it's
news from the newspaper.
it's unclear. It's unclear. So are you telling me that you read the news from your copy from your notebook and
Right, sir.
came on stage? But then you're also
Right.
telling me that you read out only the newspaper.
Because I didn't write in my copy.
Because you didn't write in your copy. So
Right,
on regular days, on normal days, you would have written the news down in your notebook and then read it out,
right,
prepared
sir.
it and then read it out. But on
Right, sir.
that particular day you had to read out the newspaper directly.
Right, sir.
And what about this quiz?
So after that, ask the just there are the three activity which happens at more regular assembly. One of the reading newspaper, second the deliver the lecturate at any topic, and third is asking the question from the morning assembly student.
Okay, okay. So three activities.
Right, sir.
All right, understood. Okay, okay. So, tell me a little more about the how you came to be the best. First of all, tell me what is the best house captain.
Sir, in the last of the annual day, our at the last of the end of the end of the years, and organize the annual day in every our schools. That have the our teachers have specific one person, a specific one house captain is the best house captain, has the best house in the this year. So our house nominate the best house on that day. They have no our teachers to rectify all over the activities happened, who was the winning of the painting competition, quiz competitions, and singing competition in our schools. At the end all the activity have gathers, and who was the best so is nominated in the morning at the annual day, he the best house captain and best house.
Okay, 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 understood. So you got to be the best house captain.
Right, sir.
Okay, all right, understood. So you've also mentioned that there in cross country you have won a gold medal.
Right, sir.
So tell me how long was this cross country?
During my eighth class, I went to the zonal levels cross country competition,
Okay,
where I ran the 8 kilometers the cross country, and I got a first positions. Where I got a gold medals on that time.
okay, and then interzonals.
So I didn't went to the interzonal. I just went to the zonal level.
Why?
So my school is far away from the my home, and my parents told to me that ki just focus on the study, because on the eighth class I'm from the Hindi background and my English marks is very low. Even I was failed in the English, so my parents didn't to allow me to go to the focus on the games. Just focus on the study.
Okay, so just because of English.
Yeah, right, sir. My English is very. Even I didn't get the minimum marks. Yeah, I was failed in English.
Okay, so this has been going on for how long?
Sir, during my ninth and 10th class, I improved myself, and during my 10th class, I got good marks in my English, say the out of 80 out of 100.
80 out of 100. Okay,
100.
and it's still visible that I think your verbal English still needs improvement,
Yes, sir.
and it's not up to the
Right,
mark,
right,
is
sir.
what I feel. Right? So,
Yes, sir.
when did you start speaking English?
Sir, I was speaking when I was in my college, and after that I joined the army. When I analyzed that English is mandatory, once an incident happened with me. I was traveling from the Delhi to the Odisha Bhubaneswar by a flight. So I saw and observed that number of persons speaking in English in the flight to each other. But I couldn't understand what they are. But some little bit understand, but some what I couldn't understand. So I feel that English is mandatory to speak. So that's why I increase. I start to the practice of English
When was
and
this flight?
speaking.
When did you take this flight?
Sir, 2018.
2018. That is after you joined the army, right?
Right, sir.
Okay. All right. So just give me a moment. So tell
Okay,
me
sir.
a little more about this journey of English. Nishikant, you've got me interested. So in class 8, you were not able to score good marks in English.
I, right, sir.
By class 10th, you were able to improve your scores. And
Course, sir. I just
hmm,
I मतलब मैंने रट्टा लगा दिया था इंग्लिश को कि which questions come, so I read them कि once एक टाइप का रट्टा मार दिया था कि if the दिवाली comes, so the I मतलब मैंने उस पर रट्टा लगा दिया था पूरा कि दिवाली के ये क्वेश्चन आएंगे, ये लिखना है.
okay, so no
Right.
conceptual understanding
No, sir.
at
I
that
just
point.
मतलब याद ही कर लिया था. I just remember all of these things.
Okay, 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 okay. And then that is why your marks improved in class 10.
Right, sir.
Okay, so when did you actually start? you just mentioned that you started speaking English in college,
Right, sir.
right? So how did that happen?
So I in my college, I when I went to the city school, city in my college in the city, and approx 19 kilometer from my place. So there I saw a number of students who is good in English. So
Okay,
I'm trying to speak it with them to English, and sometimes I was stucking a lot when I was speaking. I couldn't speak a normal English. So sometimes they fun on me कि यार तू क्या बोल रहा है.
okay.
So
So
so after that, I
you
improve
felt you used to
myself
feel
slowly.
used to feel bad.
Yeah, right. So on that time I feel bad, but I know that my English is not good, but I didn't take it my heart. I didn't take it. मतलब अपने दिल पे नहीं लेता था. Okay, get it. But I am
Okay,
good in the rather than the mathematics to them.
okay. All right. So tell me the mathematics. So you're good. You're good at mathematics. Have you
Right.
studied maths at college level?
Yes, during the BCA, I also have the subject of the mathematics in the first and second terms semester, and third semesters we have all of the accountancy and post economic. As we have read all the subject, the commerce mixing, some subject of commerce and some subject of science background like the semiconductor, etc., electronics, and
Okay,
some subject about the computers, the
okay,
programming
okay,
language.
okay. So tell me what all topics were there in your BCA maths?
Sir,
Name a few
became as
topics.
a first is the trigonometry, determinations, percentage, and uh, and the normals, the number systems,
Hmm.
uh, and the speed, distance, and time. And
Okay.
mm,
All right. Okay. So tell me a little. Let's go to your cross country. So you ran
right, sir.
8 kilometers, right?
Right, sir.
And how much time did you take?
Sir, on that time I couldn't properly remember, but I think I took 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Right,
Okay. So what was your speed in kilometers per hour?
sir. On that time, just let me remind.
Sure, sure, sure.
2.5 kilometer per hour.
2.5 kilometers per hour.
Right, sir.
I'm not convinced.
Just a second, sir.
What formula did you use?
The speed is equal to distance upon time.
Okay, speed equal to distance upon time.
This,
Okay, so that makes it 8 by 20, right? 8 by 20.
right, sir.
So that makes 0.8 divided by 2. So 0.4. That gives us
Yeah, yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
0.4 kilometer per hour.
Yes.
Okay. So don't you think there is something wrong with the number still? 0.4 kilometer per hour.
I couldn't properly remind, but I just took 20 to 25 minutes. I think no more properly remind. But during the eighth class, now, so I couldn't.
Okay, so right now, tell me right now how much time do you take
Sir,
for 8
today in
kilometers?
my unit, the country competitions have 12 kilometers, and
Okay,
I took a 40 minutes.
40 minutes.
Right, sir.
Okay, hmm. Understood. All right. So, uh, if we talk about, okay, tell me, uh, in which of the all of the trigonometric ratios do we find undeterminate forms
Sorry, sir.
or infinity wala forms?
Okay, sir.
There are like if we talk about trigonometric ratios, then if we calculate it for particular angles, they give us certain values,
Right, sir.
right? So let's say for example cos, sine. If we talk about different angle values of cos and sine, so they give us
Yes, sir.
some values. Okay.
Right, sir. For some is infinite. Right,
Yes, and for some values there is infinity as well.
Right, sir.
So tell me all the ratios in which infinity you can find as one of the values.
Sir, firstly is that sine and so in first is a cos. So just me a second.
Sure.
Sine 19 cos 0.
Okay. Sine 90 is,
Cos 0.
what is the value of sine 90?
Sir, in infinity.
Infinity. Okay. And cos 0
Infinity.
is infinity. Okay. What else?
And sir, tangent 0.
Tan 0. Okay. And
And cosecant 90. Cosecant 90.
cosec 90. Okay.
Uh, I couldn't recall properly.
All right. All right. Sufficient. Okay. So I have few more questions for you.
Okay.
What is the world record for? First of all, tell me what is the world standard for cross country?
Sir, gold standard is the maximum is the, it is the cross, it is the game of the any region of the any frame. matlab it's a game of running, and the maximum run is the 12 kilometer and minimum is the 4 kilometer.
Okay. So is cross country an Olympic sport?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? So what is the format of Olympics cross country race?
Sir, I didn't about it.
Okay. All right. Understood. Hmm. Okay. So as I can see, Nishikant, you have
Sir,
done your graduation in BCA,
right, sir.
but then you still didn't go for any private sector job. So BCA
Sir,
is uh, such a degree which can provide you, which can fetch you a very good and high paying job in the IT sector, which is currently booming in India,
absolutely, sir.
right? So why go for Indian Army with a salary of 48,000 when you could have
Sir,
earned
my
lakhs and lakhs? Yeah, yeah, please.
Sir, in my village, I have got two soldiers. Both are my cousins. In my village, cousins. So I saw them. I was inspired from them. Also, my village people also trying to the join the armed forces, but they couldn't. But I inspired to them कि I want to fame on my village. That's why I joined the Indian Army, and I attractive towards the dress of the uniform of the Indian Army, which feel that I want to wear this and serve for my nation.
Okay, so when did these two cousins they when did they join the army?
They joined 2003 and 2004.
Okay, so they had been there since you were a kid, since you
Right,
were
sir.
small, right?
Yes, sir.
So tell me, why did you not join right after 12th?
So I'm joined once I saw the rally of recruitment of the army, but I couldn't cross the running on that time.
Running. What was the parameter for running? What
So
was the
that
standard?
yes, sir, on that time the army conducts the 1600 meters in the 5 minutes.
1600 in 5 minutes. But
Right,
you told me that in class 8 you ran 8 kilometers in 20 minutes. So
right,
you
sir.
couldn't run 1600 in 5 minutes.
No, sir. Because after 8th class I didn't run till the 12th class. There are 4 years gap.
Why?
Because no anyone competition have held in the 10th class and 11th class. so I didn't focus more much about it.
Okay, so you failed the rally.
Right, sir.
But then again in first year you could have gone again.
Yes, sir. And during the and after that, I saw the next really. I just saw the next really in the 2017 where I was enrolled.
So why did you not go for it?
Sorry.
Why did you not go for it?
Sir, I joined at 2017 really.
Okay, you joined in 2017 rally.
Right, sir.
Okay, and what about your college then?
Sir, after that, I on that time I was the finally in my last semester. So I in my last semesters I just about the finished, but I just about the finished on that time, but I didn't give the paper, so I was couldn't attend the exam. So my exam has to postpone to the next time. So after my completing of my training, I return back and give my exam and pass out it.
Okay. Understood. All right, clear. Nishikant. Okay, so you were in third year. So my question to you is, why not apply in 2014? Why did you not apply in
So,
2014?
sir, during the 2014, I saw to the rally of the ITBP and BSF. There I crossed the both of the ground easily, but I couldn't pass the written exam.
Okay, and where were you lacking in the written exam?
Sir, on that time, general knowledge, English, I was lacking.
Okay, and how did you improve in the subsequent attempts then?
Yes, sir. After that, I come my school, and during my free time, I went to the library at the lunch times, and I read the newspaper as well as the general knowledge. General knowledge. After that, if I have some doubt in my mathematics, so I directly approach to my mathematics teachers who solve my questions, which is not
You
basically
didn't go
found to
for any
our books,
coaching?
which are basically
You didn't go for any coaching?
no, sir. I didn't. No, sir.
Why?
I didn't
You
join.
knew that you were weak. Why not go for coaching?
Sir, there are no coaching center in my there in my village as well as their city have some coaching centers, but they just told about the I just listening about whether ki just normally told about that करना तो तुम्हें खुद ही पड़ेगा. So I'm just approached to my teacher who helped me.
Okay,
So
so
I
you
would just
you
give me
you
guidelines. I follow it.
okay, so you did go to the coaching centers and you did inquire about the courses.
No, no, I didn't inquire. Just I took the help from my teacher who
So
in
then
my college.
who told you these lines कि करना तो तुम्हें खुद ही पड़ेगा? Who told you these lines?
Yes, my friends.
Your friends. Okay.
Right, sir.
All right. So these friends were selected. These friends were selected
Sorry, sir.
candidates.
Sir, I couldn't hear you.
The friends who gave you this advice that you'll have to do it yourself. Am I audible?
Right, sir.
Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. Little bit was sounding. Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
So my question is, the friends who gave you this advice that you'll have to do it yourself, were they selected candidates or were they your regular friends?
Sir, regular friends, sir.
Okay. Okay. So 2015 you couldn't appear.
I couldn't join
how many hours were you putting in daily on a daily basis
for a running, sir. Yeah, for
for preparation for your written?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. For written, sir. Along with my studies, I just during my college, I went to the at 9 o'clock to my college and come to the 5 o'clock. But during the break and the vacant periods, that's at the empty period of my college, so I focus on my study rather than doing anything. And when I was came at my room at 5 o'clock. After that, I took a short nap up till the 6:50 o'clock, and after that, I went to the college,
Tell me
running, went to the ground.
the number of hours you were studying for this particular exam on a daily basis for your written exam.
Sir, 3 hours, 3 hours,
3 hours.
right,
Okay, on a daily basis.
right.
And you still weren't able to clear it in 2015.
I cleared 2017, sir.
I know that you cleared in 2017. My question is, even after failing in 2014 and giving 3 hours daily,
That's true.
right? Am I right so far?
Right, sir.
Okay. So even after giving 3 hours daily on a daily basis, in 2015 also you couldn't clear. Did you appear
Yes,
in
sir.
2015 in any rally?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, on that time, no any rally organized in my ARO.
Okay. But see, this is something that I don't buy. This is something which I'm not convinced with. Each and every year there is conduction of rallies, various rallies, right? Not just for one
Right, sir.
particular armed forces. So let's say ITBP or CISF or Indian
Yeah, sir.
Army or Indian
2015.
Navy, Indian Air Force. So there are a lot of possible chances.
Sir, I do not aware about the Indian Navy as well as the Indian Air Force, but I just know about the Indian Army because it is a because as my neighbors, as my city, and all are the soldier of the Indian Army. The little bit I couldn't on that time to anyone is the Air Force and the Navy. So just that's why I am totally focusing on the Indian Army, and
Okay.
I
And
just
is there any rally being conducted in your region, in your RO of Indian Air Force and Indian Navy?
no sir, just Indian Army conducted the rally of in my district.
Okay. So 2016,
Yeah, 2016 November.
what?
November in the 2016 I crossed my running and 2017 I joined.
Okay, okay, okay. All right, understood, understood. So, see, if I look at your, I've understood so far, but if I look at your father's salary or monthly income and your mother's
Right,
monthly
sir.
income, so I feel that you could have joined right after class 12th, or maybe if you were in final year of BCA,
Right, sir.
you could have gone for some placement. You would have earned much more money.
Uh, yeah, but I couldn't serve my nation as right now I am doing
Why? They're also
because
serving the nation.
if I'm doing a job in a private sector, but I want to join the armed and I want to attract towards I want to wear this uniform.
You wanted to wear the uniform, but the private
Right,
sector
sir.
also, you just mentioned that you wouldn't have been able to serve the nation, right? So then you think
Yeah,
the
sir.
private sector
Uh,
people, they do not serve the nation.
So I'm saying that not much as the army. They serve, but not much as the army.
Okay, and what exactly is it about the army that you like?
Um, the discipline of army.
Discipline. So you think private sector employees, they cannot be disciplined?
Yeah, sir. I'm talking about the army. So that soldier have a good discipline, senior, and respect of the juniors.
I
And number
understand.
they are
I
the
understand. I
fit and
understand.
fine.
But do you think private sector employee cannot be the same? He cannot be fit and fine. He
Yes,
cannot be
sir.
disciplined.
Yeah, so something so sometimes they have doing a job at the appropriate time to 9 to 5. But during the army, it is not happen. If you have get a task till the task is not completed, you have to do. It is
So
not matters it is a nine
same
to five.
same goes with private sector. If you get a particular assignment, if you are working on an app, so you cannot rest until you have completed this particular assignment.
But sir, they get also extra salary for doing this. But during the army, you do not get extra salary. You just same salary which you get.
So you don't need extra salary.
No, sir.
Why?
Because sir, be proud of that ki we wear this dress.
Okay. All right. Understood. Understood. Okay, Nishikant.
Right.
Coming to the towards the last part of your interview, last round. So,
Okay, sir.
uh, tell me you have appeared for two attempts, right?
Right,
ACC
sir.
122 and ACC 123. This is ACC 124,
Right, sir.
right? So this is your last attempt.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first of all, tell me what went wrong in the previous two attempts.
Sir, firstly, in my first attempt, I was screened out, so I'm lacking in my narrations. I couldn't properly speak about my narrations. And second time, I'm lacking in uh, my psychology and my GTO.
Second time in psychology and GTO.
Right,
Okay,
sir.
so where are you going to lack this time?
And sir, right now I am not lacking anywhere, so I'm doing
Okay,
well.
so you got screened out. Why did you get screened out in the first attempt?
Sir, due to my narrations, I couldn't speak my story properly.
Okay, so you were not good with narration.
Right,
Why
sir.
you had not practiced?
So I practice, but on that time, I don't know what happened with me. I couldn't speak properly.
So you got stage fear.
No, so I have no stage fear. I just calm down, but during my narrations, I stammering due to my English.
Okay, so that is similar to stage fear, right? Because
No, so
just
I
because
but
you're delivering in front of others and you have to speak in a language that which you don't have practice in, therefore you
but
got
sir,
nervous.
even if anyone talk to speak in Hindi, then I will speak comfortably. But in my English, when I was English, so I was stammering. That's why I couldn't speak properly.
Okay, so what did you improve? How did you improve on this in the second attempt?
Sir, I regularly do the mirror practice. I write a story and speak in a mirror.
Speak in the mirror.
Speak in the front of mirror.
Okay, so okay, this is something which is odd, a little odd. So who suggested this activity?
Sir, I analyze myself. First time I was screened out. So
Hmm.
analyze myself to where I'm lacking and why. So
Hmm.
that's why I found that I'm lacking in my narration. So I started to practice of narration daily, write a story daily, and sometimes if I have not a mirror, so I took my mobile phone, switch on the camera, and make a video.
Okay, okay. So you thought you came up with this yourself.
Right, sir.
Okay, all right. There was no other influence. You did not consult anyone, any coaching institute
No,
or anyone.
no, sir, no, sir. But I just discussed my seniors. My CEO asked me where are you lacking. So I directly told you that sir, I'm lacking in the narrations on that time. So he told to me that he practice to
In front of
improve
the
it.
mirror.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Not a front of. He just not give the name, but he just told me that practice. You have a chance to utilize this next time and overcome your weaknesses.
okay. So in the next part, you were lacking in psych as well as
GTO, sir.
GTO. Okay. So where was this? What was the problem in these two?
So during the site, I couldn't write a story, all the story in proper time.
Okay. So you left unfinished stories,
Yes, sir. Some
incomplete.
story I left incomplete.
Okay. All right. And what
And
else?
during the GTO, I have not a proper idea to during the PGT. I couldn't give the idea to my group to implement this.
Why so?
Means
You've been being an army personnel.
right, sir.
You are the one person who is most fit for such a
Yes, sir.
job.
Yes, sir.
So then why not be able to give ideas?
Because I firstly I'm going to the first time, so I do not know कि करना क्या है इस बल्ली और पट्टी का. After that I know the color rule and everything, so I didn't idea कि how can to adjust it.
Okay. So you had not practiced.
I didn't practice it,
You
but
didn't. Why? Why did you not practice for the SSP?
the first time I was screened out, so I'm totally focused कि firstly screening in होना है.
Okay.
So because I was screened out, so I have the how can be I'm lacking on the
Hmm.
first time, and second
Hmm.
time I just focus on my screening.
Okay. Second time and all right. Understood. Understood. So okay. So just give me a moment. I have a question which I want to ask you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let me just frame the question. So, okay, so just by that time, just keep telling me what apart from PGT in your GTO went wrong.
Like, or everything going too long was, I think, the PGT I couldn't properly participate.
What was the topic of lecturate in the second round of the interview? In the
Sir,
second your 1 2 3
sir,
in your
internet,
hmm, internet.
right? Sir.
Okay. So can you recall what all facts how did you give the lecturate in over internet on this particular
Yes,
topic?
sir. Yes, sir. I remember till now, because on that time I believe the internet is a basic need of the human life, and it enhances our capability and communicate with all over the world by the audio call and video call.
Hmm.
Internet is uh, and people are using a daily. Internet is a daily as the basic of using the map, using the order by the online, order by the booking of the train, buses and aircraft is the basic need of our daily life. So
Hmm.
internets have some merit and demerit. So
Hmm.
internet merit is enhance the capability joined with Make in India, and the demerit we are totally depend upon the internet. Even internet have failed, so we are stuck in anywhere. And I also give the example of the during the pandemic. During the pandemic, our student have connected with study. I speak like
Okay,
that.
okay, Nishikant, understood. All right, so answer this question for me. There is you have been assigned a task to capture an area. Okay,
Right,
it's
sir.
a hill feature.
Okay, sir.
So it is close to the enemy territory and near the
Absolutely.
line of control. Okay, and before you, another Pulton had been sent, which got destroyed at the foothill itself. Okay, so
Right,
the
sir.
feature, the advantageous position has been occupied by the enemy as far as you can tell. Okay, and you were given a course of action, a route particular to proceed and capture the hilltop.
Right,
Okay,
sir.
and this particular Pulton, which was sent right before you, it was ambushed at the middle of the course. How will you prepare if you are
Middle
the
of the course.
commanding officer? Yes, if you are commanding officer of your Pulton
Right, sir.
and you have been given the task to complete
Absolutely, sir.
the the unfinished business which the other Pulton could not finish, how will you plan for it?
Sir, firstly, I checked in the map where was the location and which way we can reach there.
Okay, you have been given that already. The map has been
Okay,
chalked out
sir.
by your commanding officer, by your
Yes, sir.
GOC. Hmm.
Right. Sir. And after that, I made a team of my team. Made a team of my Pulton and
Okay,
sent to the various bay to the top, reach the top of it.
okay,
And I keep contact to the each other team
okay.
by the communication.
But then there is only one possible way to reach the top. So why are you dividing your team?
Sir, I divided my team because first team go to the forward, second I just provide the support to his, and third team who provide the logistics support if we have need the arms to completely immediately go through the downwards.
Okay.
This is a logistics support, and second the first support to the first team.
Hmm.
This is my backup team who is the second team.
Okay. I think the idea is unclear. You will divide your
Uh,
whole team into your Pulton into smaller teams, smaller groups.
Not only three teams. First
Only
the
three.
who
Okay.
was take a primary task, second team who was the sporting, and third who provide the logistics support as much as possible.
Okay. Okay. So now let's say the first team gets ambushed. Main team gets ambushed. Now
So logistics who was my second team, who was my recovery team, who take out it.
take out what?
uh, take the step for the next action.
For next action. Okay.
Right.
And they also get ambushed.
So I have a logistics support, na sir. So my logistics support, they are the soldiers as well, but they provide the logistics support on that time, but they know that how can to fight with war.
And
So I send my
logistics.
third.
Okay, logistics also gets ambushed.
Then after I myself individually went
Okay.
to the task
Okay.
along with my team
Along with your
and
team.
kept
Where is the team then?
there are the two and three member along with myself.
You also get ambushed.
So I contact with my seniors as well high authority and keep contact to them
Okay.
and asking another sport,
Asking for another
another
sport.
sport.
Okay. All right. Okay, Nishikant. So tell me how have you done differently? How have you prepared differently this time around?
So this time I have differently rather than my last attempt. So I individual my GTO ground at my home. Took the chairs, benches, and made our GTO ground. Took a patta and balli
Hmm.
and try to find out the way how can to reach the final. And also mm, uh, I also color sign. I just get अब red हो गया. This is a blue. So how can we came idea in my mind?
Hmm.
And also by the YouTube's I learned to tie a rope. How can to tie the rope?
Okay.
Which notes we can made on that time.
Okay. All right.
And
All right.
by the TAT I practice number of stories a lot. 2 to 3 or 4 stories daily write
Hmm.
within the time.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. So all right. So there is something written in your self description which I
Right,
want
sir.
to take up. So you've written you want to your goal is to become a military leader.
Absolutely, sir.
Okay, who will be known for his helping nature, dedication and knowledge, right? And you want to bring fame to your unit, your family and your village, and
Absolutely.
want to progress your nation, right?
Right.
So tell me, if you don't get recommended in this attempt, then
Sir, I am very sure that I am recommended this time. But if I am not recommended this time, so I go through by the next attempt that the SEO. Uh,
SEO, and
right,
let's
sir.
say if you fail in all the SEO attempts as well,
So after that, I went to the PCSL attempt.
and you fail in that as well.
So I did. I am a serving candidate. So I am become a technical instructor of air control and lead my troop, lead my teams as I am a radar operator. So I lead my teammates and also become a military leader as the serving as a candidate,
As a serving as a
as serving as my team, as serving along with my team.
okay, okay, all right. Just give me a moment,
Yes,
Nishika.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so you've also mentioned that your teachers and your seniors think that you should focus more on your goal, but you keep a balance between your study and your duties.
Duty. Right, sir.
Okay, so do you think your teachers are right? Your seniors are right?
Yeah, my seniors to write, but I am a soldier, so my primary task is my duty as well.
Okay, so don't you think since you have written this in your self description, so that means you give priority. You also consider that it is more important for you to focus on your goal,
Right.
right? Okay, so then why have you written it? You think your
So,
being a soldier is dragging you down?
yes, no, no. So my seniors think about me that I can growth in my life. I can achieve more in life.
Okay, that see that is well understood.
Yes, sir.
but you have compared it against your current duty. So
Yes, sir.
therefore, it means that you are you feel that your current duty is dragging you down
No, sir. I am
from
not telling you
stopping.
that, but but maintain discipline because as any during my duty, I just focus on my studies. When I was on duty, so I focus on my duty. But when I was a priest, then I focus on my study. That's I
Okay.
maintain the
Now, what is? Tell
balance
me
between
a little more about your daily schedule.
the daily schedule and my unit. Sir, I got up early at the morning of 5 o'clock. After that, I went to the PT, and on that times I be as a younger soldiers. So we are made of the our team that is which we have run the cross country. So we are practice of the cross country to run 5 to 6 kilometers as a per daily basis because up till there is a no competition of the like cross country. So we just normal practice and after that took the breakfast come to the to the breakfast so I took a download the electronic newspaper and read out in the next 1 hours and
So
after
you
that I
have
went.
breakfast for 1 hour.
Yes, I got a time of the breakfast of 1 hours of 15 minutes after the PT.
1 hour, 15 minutes.
Yes, sir. So
Long breakfast. Okay.
during my 15 minute, I completed my breakfast, and next 1 hours, 15 minute, I read a newspaper.
Okay. So you get in total, see, you get 1 hour 30 minutes or 1 hour 15 minutes breakfast.
Yeah,
How much time do
yes,
you
sir.
get in breakfast?
Sir, 10 to 12 minutes.
10 to 12 minutes.
Right, sir.
Oh, brother, you're confused. You're telling me that you read 15 minutes and in the 15 minutes you do breakfast.
Yes, sir. 12 to 10 to 12 minutes, I completed my breakfast,
Huh.
and the distance between
I'm
my
asking you the official time for breakfast.
sir official time is the breakfast 1 hours 15 minutes.
1 hour 15 minutes. From what time to what time?
Sir, 7 o'clock to the 8:15.
Okay, 7 to 8:15. All right.
Right, sir.
So in 15 minutes you have your breakfast and in the next 1 hour you read.
Newspaper.
Okay, आगे.
And after that I attend my second balance and I got a responsibility where I'm going. So sometimes I went to my trade helping of my number ones and helping of my technical instructors of radars and I'm went to there until the 1 p.m.
Till 1 p.m. Okay. After,
Yes,
so
sir.
8:15 to 1 p.m. you are on official duty.
Uh, yes, sir, right, sir.
Okay. There then after 1 p.m.
After 1 p.m. to the 4 till the 4 o'clock, I have a time to lunch and take some rest
Okay. So 4 to
till
1 to
4
4.
o'clock.
1 to 4 you
Right.
have some time to rest. Okay.
Yes, sir, but I took my lunch uh, between the 20 to 25 minutes,
Okay. And
and after that I went to the library in my unit library. There I
okay.
studied about my preparation.
Okay. For how
Uh,
much time?
3:30, 3:45,
3:45. Okay. And then for the next
then
15
after
minutes?
next few minutes I went to the our PT ground because after 4 o'clock we have to attend a game parade.
Okay. And so for from 4 o'clock to
I report to the ground where game
game
ground
parade. Okay. And 4 to
game
what time does it go on?
4 to 5 1 hours I attend
Okay. Okay.
and after 5 o'clock if I have a night duty so I went to my night duty otherwise if any seniors give me any task so I completed it otherwise I took a rest. Yeah, I went to the temple sometimes. Yeah, sometimes I talk with to my junior and colleagues discuss any topics.
Hmm. Okay.
Went to the canteen.
All right. Okay. So I have a question for you. Uh,
Right, sir.
let's say this is the month of January. Okay.
Absolutely.
And right now it is 1st of January.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The Republic Day parade is about to come up, right? On 26th of January. And you have been nominated to take part from your unit, The practice has
absolutely.
already been going on. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and around the same time you get a call for SSB.
Right, sir.
You have your SSB starting on 27th. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
what will you do?
Sir, my primary task is to do my officer duty. So I went to attend the uh, attend the parade practice of the parade in the during the daytime, but at the night time I focus on my study.
Okay.
If my parade is at 5 o'clock in the ground, so I got up early 2 o'clock,
Hmm.
2 to 5 o'clock I can study.
Okay, understood. And let's say if they both coincide on the same date. So let's say not Republic Day, but some other significant event is there, and that coincides with your SSB. Then
Sir, I talk with my seniors and my CEO sab. Accordingly to them, I will decide. If
okay,
the function is the mandatory to my unit, mandatory to the my regiment, and mandatory to the my nation, so I go with it.
okay. All right, understood. Okay, Nishikant. So with that, we come to the end of the interview.
Right, sir.
All right. So how was it? What do you think? How did you
Sir, I
perform?
think I think is it fine.
It's fine. It's fine. There are certain things where I think you did some blunders.
Right, sir.
Where was it?
Sir, one of the my cross country.
Cross country. Okay. Time and speed
Time
calculation.
is very right.
Okay. And
Trigonometry I also lacking.
hmm, trigonometry issue.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And another point of view, the SRT also you failed. SRT as well. I think I'll give you marks for spirit, but not for having a practical solution. See, my perspective was there is a pattern in your uh, this thing SSBs, right? So
Sir,
in 122 you got screened out. In
right.
123 you got psych and GTO. You did not perform well. Okay, so now coming to the next interview, there is a good chance that after this, if you get to the conference, you might, if the conference is borderline, then you might screw up in the conference. Okay, and you might get conferenced out. So keeping that in mind, the SRT was that you have gotten that info that there is ambush present in the one and only route. Okay, so you should have been prepared for the ambush. You should have planned ahead for the ambush. You could have before proceeding for the plan. You what you could have done is कि भाई और क्या possible routes हैं वहाँ पे. Getting my point? If there is only one single route and you know there is the enemy sitting there for ambush, so why not plan ahead? Getting my point? Send some have
Right.
some decoys. Getting my point? So if the
Yeah.
enemy is playing smarter than you, then you have to outsmart the enemy. Getting my point? So it was
Got it.
not a test of courage, it was a test of planning, the SRT. Getting my point?
I got it, sir.
So that was the whole point I was trying to convey. And cross country, I don't think it's an Olympic sport.
Yes, I'm not aware about it.
So फट्टे मत मारना. Don't guess blindly because तुम्हारे इसमें ना if you're guessing, if you're going to guess, if you're not aware about the any particular subject, so you can make sure that sir I'm not aware. However, I think I will make a guess if you allow. With your permission, I'd like to make a guess. Getting my point. So
Right.
बिकॉज तुम्हारे इंटरव्यू में कई जगह पे गेसेस दिखे मुझे एंड दे वर लाइक कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग इज व्हाट आई फील कि जैसे ये 0.4 किलोमीटर नहीं 24 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड होगी
sir.
right and this is after right after you told me that you were good in maths so if you're saying you were good in maths and you make calculation errors in calculation of time and speed so then it does not go well
Right, sir.
getting my point so that is the main reason why I asked you this that once you started telling me ki English and see right off the bat I feel there is uh, scope for improvement in your English like pronunciation is what needs improvement pronunciation of certain words however I think the English you have right now is okay enough to communicate clear enough to communicate okay keep working on it is what I would advise like see एक क्या होता है ना whenever you're coming from a particular state so आपकी इंग्लिश में जो है वो टोन्स निकल के आती है फिर भी उसके बाद भी है ना so try to eliminate that okay you can do that by watching some movies like okay and listening to English songs try to repeat as they speak okay getting my point so बिल्कुल अंग्रेज भी नहीं बनना है but soften it down जैसे शशि शशि थरूर हो गया शशि थरूर को you can listen
Sir.
getting my point so try to speak like him so that is how you can work on your pronunciation all right and zonals and interzonals वाला जो है ये फंडा ये थोड़ा सा मुझे क्लियर नहीं हुआ बट ठीक है चलो वर्केबल है इट्स नथिंग टू गेट वरीड अबाउट कि ये बहुत बड़ी चीज थी हाउस कैप्टन के पद पे आप यू फॉरगॉट टू नॉमिनेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट डे यू हैव बीन गिवन अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड यू फॉरगेट टू परफॉर्म योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लम ओके
On that time, sir, that time I forget.
हाँ you don't say you forgot you can give some sort of reason that sir the previous day was overloaded with responsibilities or I had certain tasks which kept me occupied throughout the day therefore I could not I couldn't get the time to nominate for the next day
Sir.
okay and चलो स्टेज फियर वाला ठीक है however वहाँ पे एक और SRT मैं बना सकता था स्टेज फियर वाले इसमें ना एक और पैटर्न मैं बना सकता था कि दैट सिंस यू वर हेल्प बाय योर टीचर सो ऐसे सिचुएशन में और कहाँ कहाँ पे हेल्प सीख करी है तुमने जब भी तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम होगी तो यू विल नीड सपोर्ट व्हाइल यू आर परफॉर्मिंग कि प्रैक्टिस के टाइम पे सपोर्ट इज फाइन बट व्हाइल यू आर परफॉर्मिंग ना देन इट इज सीन एज अ बैड थिंग गेटिंग माय पॉइंट
Right, sir.
तो ये है एंड ओलंपिक्स वाला देख लेना प्राइवेट जॉब BCA ओके ठीक है आई वॉज एबल टू यू वर एबल टू कन्विंस मी फौज वाले पर्सपेक्टिव से ठीक है एंड ठीक है रेस्ट इज फाइन एज आई फील ओके सो व्हाट वाज हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस रिगार्डिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर इंटरव्यू
Sir, experience is the fine. मतलब मैं अपनी बातों में सोच रहा था खुद ना फंस जाऊं बिकॉज समटाइम्स हैपन ना कि आप मेरे काउंटर कर रहे थे कि आप ट्राई कर रहे थे कि अगर इसने बोला है तो मतलब यू हैव क्लियर्ड इट बाय द अनदर वे just you ask me the daily routine but I not implement my I reading the newspaper is my hobby but I didn't मतलब इसमें नहीं डालूंगा तो देन आई मैं फंस जाऊंगा कि कब हाउ इज योर हॉबी
ट्रू ये चीजें सी इट्स अ गुड थिंग दैट यू आर थिंकिंग इन सच अ मैनर so that is the approach you should take that whatever you speak in the in front of the interview can and will be used against you कि उसको हाँ इंटरव्यूअर के पास आपके आपके खिलाफ यूज करने के लिए ना सामान्य यही दो ही चीजें होती हैं दो चीजें One is the PIQ, and one whatever you
IQ.
speak in front of him.
Right.
So utilizing these two things, na, he will try to create some contradictions and find contradictions. Okay, and ठीक है, बाकी ये तो ठीक, ये सही है. See, try to have an X factor. X factor से मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि जैसे हर एक पर्सनालिटी होती है ना, हर एक बंदे का कुछ स्ट्रॉन्ग ट्रेट होता है.
Right.
ठीक है, तो तुम्हारे केस में ना ट्राई टू फाइंड व्हाट इज दैट पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रॉन्ग ट्रेट. सबसे ज्यादा जो है ना, उस किस चीज के लिए जाने जाते हो तुम. अपने दोस्तों में हो सकता है, अपने इसमें हो सकता है. ठीक है, ओवरऑल तुम अपने आप के लिए को लेकर ना, व्हाई डू यू फील कॉन्फिडेंट. सो इन सब चीजों पे ना एक एक कोई फैक्टर निकल के आता है दैट हैज टू बी हाईलाइटेड थ्रू आउट द इंटरव्यू.
Right.
ठीक है, उसको जैसे अब इसका यूटिलाइजेशन कैसे कर सकते हैं. जैसे लेट्स से कि तुम यू आर अपीयरिंग फॉर, यू हैव बीन आस्क्ड द क्वेश्चन दैट व्हाट डिड यू चेंज दिस टाइम. कि तो वहां पे आप एक आध हिंट ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं कि सर, जैसे लेट्स से अगर क्रॉस कंट्री की बात करते हैं, तो लेट्स से अगर इफ यू वांट टू परसीव लाइक गिव अवे क्रॉस कंट्री एज योर मेन ट्रेड, ठीक है, एक्स फैक्टर जो आपको बाकी सबसे स्टैंड आउट करा रहा है, so then that has to be some sort of hint has to be dropped in the answer when he asks you कि what did you change this time. ये so cross country वाला जो है ना, it should find mention here. Getting my point, and it should not be there in the PIQ. अदरवाइज जैसे क्रॉस कंट्री का तुम बोलोगे उसको, ठीक है, वो तुम्हारा PIQ उठा के देखेगा. PIQ में उसको क्रॉस कंट्री दिख जाएगा गोल्ड मेडल. ठीक है, तो अब वो उससे नहीं पूछेगा. साफ सीधी बात है, वो कोई ऐसी चीज होनी चाहिए ना जो कि तुमने PIQ में मेंशन नहीं कर रखी है, लेकिन तुम्हारी
Right.
पर्सनालिटी में स्ट्रॉन्ग ट्रेट है उसका. ठीक है, और साइकोलॉजी में वो जाना चाहिए. उसके अराउंड ना स्टोरीज जो है ना, जैसे बॉक्सिंग एग्जाम्पल, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मान लेते हैं बॉक्सिंग. ठीक है, बॉक्सिंग या फिर बॉक्सिंग तो खैर स्पोर्ट हो गया, कोई एक सॉफ्ट एक ट्रेट रखते हैं जैसे हेल्पिंग फ्रेंड्स. ठीक है, हेल्पिंग फ्रेंड्स तुम्हारा सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग ट्रेट है, तो इसी के अराउंड जो है ना 3 से 4 स्टोरी साइक में जानी चाहिए. ठीक है,
Right.
एंड इसको जो है इसका ये मेंशन फाइंड करना चाहिए थ्रू आउट योर इंटरव्यू. ठीक है, सो इंस्टेंस अब इस पे हेल्पिंग हेल्पिंग जब 2 4 बार रिपीट होगा ना, तो वो अपने आप पूछेगा. गेटिंग माय
Helping
पॉइंट.
क्या?
हाँ, क्या, तो एग्जैक्टली समझे मेरी बात. तो हेल्पिंग का जैसे कई कैंडिडेट्स करते हैं ना, व्हाट दे डू इज हेल्पिंग का बोल के लेट्स से इफ वन क्वालिटी दे वांट टू गिव अवे टू द इंटरव्यू, सो वो उस क्वालिटी का हिंट देते हैं और उसके बाद डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. ठीक है, परमिशन और मे बी इंटरेस्ट नहीं जगाते इंटरव्यूअर में. सो दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट.
Help बोलना है. After that, he asked me कि where are you doing the help?
एग्जैक्टली.
That's
हाँ, दैट इज वेयर यू कैन आउट परफॉर्m. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट. सो दैट इज वन थिंग दैट यू कैन टेक अवे फ्रॉम मी. बाकी सेल्फ डिस्क्रिप्शन भी सही है, इज व्हाट आई फील. सेल्फ डिस्क्रिप्शन के पर्सपेक्टिव से भी सही है. एंड सी, मिलिट्री के पर्सपेक्टिव से मुझे उतना नॉलेज नहीं है, सो देयरफॉर आई डिड नॉट वेंचर इनटू दैट. Okay, so
right.
I hope you have prepared that well. However, from each and every perspective, I've tried to cover your interview.
Right.
Okay, so कुछ अगर मिस हुआ है तो बताओ उसके like recall करने के लिए. So for like future students, if I get future aspirants, so I'll keep that in mind. अगर कुछ तुम्हें लगा है कि मिस हुआ है मेरे से.
And I didn't feel because family friends to each and every know
Hmm.
how much my family these types of friend I have.
Hmm. Hmm.
And मतलब बंदा फंसता इसमें ही है, games and our hobbies.
Hmm. काफी chances रहता है. But still, you have to give me one answer. What do you think I missed? You have to give me some answer.
And about you didn't ask me कि your marks in 12th class is 76.5%, and during the 12th class your marks is 62.5%. Why is lacking?
Okay. Hmm. This I missed.
And you
Yes.
didn't ask me NDA after 12th class. You didn't. Why didn't you appear NDA and
Hmm.
any exams?
Hmm. I was getting a feeling when I was taking your interview. I was getting a feeling I'm missing something. बट देन ठीक है, बहुत कुछ तुम्हारे पास कंटेंट भी था कि पूछने के लिए ना, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कंटेंट भी था. सो व्हाई डिड यू नॉट जॉइन एनडीए, गो फॉर एनडीए?
Sir, sir, I didn't aware about the NDA exams on that time. So I am totally rural background, so I just know about the Indian soldiers, not
अच्छा,
anyone else like that.
rally. Okay, okay. I can understand why. I also come from a similar background, and uh, my relative, so
Right,
they also had same similar experience, that they were also not aware. They just knew about Indian Army and just the rally.
right, sir, rally on.
Rally, we go for rally. They like focus on their physical fitness a lot. They
Yes,
हाँ,
morning and evening दौड़ते रहो बस.
दौड़ते रहो.
Right, sir.
चलो, बहुत अच्छा है भाई. चलो, so okay, these things are late and drop in marks. Okay, so this is for me. So when is your interview, Nishika?
Sir, interview is going fine.
When is it? When is it?
Sir, February 13th November is my
13th November.
screening.
Okay, चलो, ठीक है. That's I wish you all the best, and I
Thank you
surely
so much,
hope you
sir.
succeed. बस
Definitely, sir.
सी, अगर तुम अटकोगे ना, तो
Mhm.
एक आध चीजों की वजह से अटक सकते हो बस. इज व्हाट आई फील. इंग्लिश की वजह से एक तो, ठीक है. और इंग्लिश की वजह से ही ना, एक पता है क्या होता है कि आज के टाइम में देर इज सर्टेन एक्सपेक्टेशन. जो इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कैंडिडेट्स होते हैं ना, सो उनको स्मार्ट परसीव करा जाता है ना, और थोड़ा सा स्मार्टनेस का फैक्टर एसोसिएट करा जाता है उनके साथ. ठीक है, तो अगर फंसोगे तो इसी चीज में फंसोगे. अदरवाइज आई डोंट थिंक देर इज एनी इशू. ठीक है, वही
Right, sir.
सो कॉल्ड स्मार्टनेस. इसीलिए मैं एक्स फैक्टर वाली चीज जो है ना तुम्हें बता रहा हूँ. तो इसको यूटिलाइज करोगे ना, तो ये स्मार्टनेस वाली चीज जो है ना, इसको ओवरकम कर सकते हो. ठीक है, गेटिंग माय पॉइंट. सो जैसे कुछ
Uh,
एक आध पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट ना अपना सोच के रखना, जो मेजर है, मेजर पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट. ठीक है, वो साइकोलॉजी
उसमें
में भी.
इंटरव्यू इसमें इंटरव्यू को लाना है.
इंटरव्यूअर को हाँ किसी तरीके से लेके आना है, हिंट हिंट दे दे के कि डायरेक्टली वो पूछे.
राइट है.
ठीक है, सो इस तरीके से यूटिलाइज करना. एंड बाकी तो आई थिंक यू 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 विल बी एबल टू मैनेज. ठीक है
राइट
ब्रदर, चलो.
है. ठीक है.
All the best, Nishikant. I hope
ओके सर, थैंक्स.
you clear.